Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use smart routes in college football 27. Smart routes are a great way to make sure your receivers run their routes far enough to reach the line to gain. They are especially useful when you need a first down or you are trying to score near the end zone. To use a smart route, first line up in a passing play. Now open free play by using R3 button. Then press triangle on PlayStation or Y on Xbox to open the hot route menu and select the receiver you want to adjust. After selecting the receiver, simply press R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to apply the smart route. The game will automatically modify that player's route so it reaches the first down marker whenever possible. You can use smart routes on multiple receivers during the same play, which gives you more dependable passing options in important situations. Smart routes work particularly well on third down, fourth down, and other short yardage plays. Hook routes and out routes tend to be the most effective, while some deeper routes may not always adjust as cleanly, and that's how you use smart routes in college football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.